What's up everyone, welcome to a new video. As you know already, in this channel you can find a lot of information about how I trade and some concepts about smart money, which are some concepts that I have inside of my strategy. Now, as I said already in many other videos or on my Instagram, if you follow me already, and if you don't, make sure to go follow me for also daily tips and to actually follow what I'm doing and my entries and my trades and so on. As I say many times, smart money is a great tool. It has some great concepts, but in my opinion, it is not something that makes you profitable. As you know, right now, it is very, very popular. A lot of traders are using smart money, including myself, keep in mind, but still the 90%, so the majority, 90% of traders, or maybe also 95% of traders are still losing money, as I say many times. And you might wonder why. Why everyone thinks that smart money makes a person profitable, but they still lose money. The reason why is because a system with an edge on the market is missing. Smart money has great concepts. They can be applied, they make you understand how the market moves. But if you don't have a system that is proven to work over time and is proven to give you that extra edge in the market, then it is not enough to actually be profitable. Of course, mindset and psychology plays a huge role, and you might argue that 90% of traders also lose because of that, and I agree that it plays a role inside of the overall 90% of traders, but this is not the only thing. Keep in mind that smart money needs to be contextualized inside of your strategy. With that being said, I hope that you will like this video. Make sure to subscribe, because I will drop 1 or 2 free videos with free education here on my YouTube every single week. And if you want to join my course for some extra education and to actually learn how I trade and to follow my setups and my entries, then the links are here below. I'll see you in the video.
Let's see. We already took a look at NZD/USD. This is gold. Gold breaking structure to the upside. I'm not really interested in entering more positions in gold. I'm already in some positions. I'm not really interested in entering more, but I will be careful with this trendline liquidity. So I wouldn't take this demand because we are forming trendline liquidity. Probably we will grab trendline liquidity and either pull to this demand or lower demand. And that's where we can actually look for more entries. What's the difference between change of character and boss? First of all, in my course, I never mentioned change of character. We use the same concept, but it's just a name. We just call it differently. It doesn't really matter. The main difference is that boss breaker structure only breaks structure, while change of character, or whatever you want to call it, manipulates before changing structure. So we have manipulation and then change of structure. This is what you can call change of character or whatever you want. It's just a name that some people made up, but it doesn't really have anything to do. For example, here is change of character. Consolidation, manipulation to the upside, breaker structure to the downside. This is change of character, retracement to supply, possible entry. Very good. Gold USD. Gold, reason for this stop loss is because gold is extremely bullish, both technically, just from charts, and also fundamentally because of everything that's going on. Extremely bullish on gold. What is this? I just see a trend line. I don't really agree with the analysis overall. Breaker structure must have a clean break or just a wick. Depends on the time frame. So if we are talking about failure of supply and demand, just the wick. If we are talking about actual break of structure, so actually a shift of structure, then we are talking about body of the candle. And I'm going towards taking a break even. Now, let's see possible other opportunities for today. It's gone 2 hours. All right. So we have, where is it? NZD-CAD, which can actually be pretty interesting for buys from the hidden demand down here, if we do reach it. But we need to be careful that overall we are at also a higher time frame area. So I will look for buys from this demand actually, if I have confirmation. This is one setup for today, NZD-CAD from hidden demand. KJPY not really interested. This is type of market structure and market situation that we want to avoid. Same for NZD-JPY. EURUSD, you know already which trade I'm in, or maybe I'm out already and almost. GBUSD, I'm not interested. Yesterday I was interested for, well, yesterday, not 2 days ago, I missed this trade. It was perfect, but I missed it. And I sent a recap already in the Discord about it. GP-CAD not interested. We could have had this trade. I sent it to the Discord, but I didn't take it. Now I'm not interested anymore. NZD-CAD I said already. GP-JPY, this is just some weekend study, but overall we're not interested in getting involved. Let me see actually. Wait. Actually, we break structure plus we failed this demand and we're pulling back up to this supply. So I will actually keep an eye on GJ from this area. Didn't notice it. Good. I'll just keep an eye on it if we have confirmation. Not because if I zoom out, we are extremely bullish. But at the same time, we can say that we failed demand and we are changing structure. We need confirmation to enter here, but yeah. EURUSD, not interested at all. Same for EUR-CAD. And let's see AUD/USD, actually missed a very good trade. This was an example. This was just fibs trade plus demand. Just for educational purposes, I didn't take this trade. I would say I missed some good trades, I would say overall, but that's not a problem. Many others are going to come and we can catch many others. Here we had demand, fibs, push to the upside, overall market structure, bullish. Break of structure, retracement, break of structure. Easy setup, I would say overall. GBUD, nothing, AUD, CAD, nothing. EUR-JPY, let's see. No, EUR-JPY just looks similar to GP-JPY, but I'll just focus on GP-JPY. USD-CAD, let's go on higher time frames. USD-CAD, we have this hidden demand, which we just touched. But overall, I would say it's not a setup that, not clear structure for now. Here we are bearish. We cannot just look to trade reversals from random places. I'm really interested in NZD-CAD and GP-JPY for today, so keep that in mind. Do you take a look at currency strength meter? Not really. I find it hard to trade gold, then don't trade it. I find it harder than other pairs too. Is not that it's really hard. It's more that it manipulates more. It has stronger moves. Just trade other pairs. There are many others. Why trade gold if you have difficulties on trading it? I just trade gold personally when I have clear opportunities. I'll show you. For example, 4 hours. So from higher time frames, clear, breakout structure, retracement. Let me delete this. I'm saying breakout structure. Where is the demand that created breakout structure? Down here, retracement. When we had the retracement, we had this spike to the downside. I really liked it. I got involved inside here on lower time frames. And then other than that, what do we have? When we pull back down, we have demand. We break to the upside, pull down to demand to get involved again to go to the upside. This is just from high time frames bias. And this is how I like to trade gold the most. Of course, I go down to lower time frames, but the entries are always the same as other pairs. Okay, send a list. These are the pairs from AUD/USD up are the pairs that I like the most. And I see it in the course too. Can you, wait. Can you show hidden demand on NZD-CAD? NZD-CAD hidden demand we have on the 1 hour, just wicks to the downside. Wicks to the downside can have hidden demands, which are here, these. Right, so just to summarize, I'm looking at NZD-CAD and I'm looking at GBP/JPY for today. And I was in EURUSD. Oh, and I'm still in EURUSD. Didn't take my break even yet. Okay, great. If you have other questions, please ask me now. Otherwise, I'll send the recording and I'll send what I'm looking for on the Discord. What is this? AD New Zealand. I don't trade it at all, to be honest. Doesn't really respect how I trade AD New Zealand. Any thoughts on EUR/JPY? EUR/JPY is very similar to GBP/JPY, but I'm focused on GBP/JPY for today. Thank you everyone for connecting. As I said already, I'm looking at NZD-CAD and GBP/JPY. I'll send it also in the Discord soon if we have some type of confirmation. And I'll see you next days and next time we do live. Thank you.